Oh good, it's Kevin the kit dealer. Hey man, got some kits from my personal stash I'd like to sell you. Okay, great. Why don't you come back tomorrow and I'll have a quote for you. Nah, B, I need the cheddar now. Well, I need time to inspect them. No need, bro. I got a list right here. Okay. How does 200 sound? Sounds aight. Okay, thanks, Kevin. Peace. And that is how you get swindled. You pay $200 for a research vessel, an Iljution IL-4, a Seif Moten ups and down submarine, and that. Well, maybe these will be worth something in 100 years. Well, anyway, in conclusion, come to think of it, I can't really remember the point of this video. So I just wasted 5 minutes of your life. But don't worry, you can make up for them by visiting Sunward Hobbies in store or online, where I guarantee you 99.9% of our kits have proper grammar. So thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and until the next one, adios.